Hello, my name is Savijit. I am here to represent Robo. Here we do have one of our printer. This one is Bambu A1 A1 combo. So this printer is basically an entry-level printer in which you can do hobby-based things, and other than that, basic prototyping as well as R&Ds. So here it is with combo machine where you can add 4 colors, and at a time you can attach almost up to 4 AMS system, like 16 colors. So here you can see we are printing mobile stand, I guess. So okay, so moving forward to our next machine. This one is Bambu P1S. Actually, this is an enclosed printer which also control its climate on its own. Yeah, here it is. This is the AMS system in which we can put up to 4 colors of filament, and it can print multiple colors at a time.